It's your girl Stiff Breast and I'm back with another video. Guys, today we're gonna type what kind of video we're gonna do today. Well guys, me just want you just know say I'm not too bad right now. I did have the bad flu. I'm just a come around right now. Yeah. Guys, me I pray so no keeping yourself safe and not catch a bad flu, yeah, guys. It's not a normal flu. And enough people we are say a COVID no have, but it's not COVID guys, a bad flu a go around so me I beg you please protect yourself from a bad flu. Right now, he said VIJ, bad. Me nah eat. Only thing we do I like drink water and drink orange juice. Eat little fruit. That's all. Nothing else, guys. But I just want to keep on a prayer with me. Yes, and I will back soon, dropping some videos. So guys, me I beg you to pray for me. In Jesus' name, yes. And remember, say me love you guys. Yes. So remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell a friend, tell a friend. Put the Stiff Breast channel. I'm on. Love you guys. Peace out. Remember prayers.